Goal soon. Don't procrastinate.
Procrastination has been a topic that's come up a few times on these things, so I think you guys are trying to tell me something. Hey, Steven.
How you doing, Matt?
2021 has started. Maybe you're setting aside some goals that you want to do this year, and one of those could be budgeting. Why is budgeting important?
So budgeting is really important for everyone, regardless of where you are in your career or in your life. So if you're starting out with your first job, or maybe even approaching retirement, you need to have a budget. It's really a roadmap to keep you on track towards hitting your goals.
Now, is there an easy tip for remembering to set aside that money each month? But what's out there?
Prioritizing savings is really important. And so setting that money aside, I would recommend doing it automatically, whether that be through your bank transfer, or maybe even if you have direct deposit, to put money in your checking and savings every pay period.
I'm someone who probably waits around to the last minute to do a lot of things.
Get started. Don't procrastinate. Set the goal where it's reasonable. It's okay to increase the goal later, but don't set the goal so high that it's unachievable in the first month of the year. But don't procrastinate. You want to get started as soon as you can.
What's the best mindset going into this new year that you would recommend?
I think it's just like every year. It's a fresh start, so it's a chance to reevaluate. So if you had struggles last year, that's okay. Look at your budget, look at what worked, what didn't work, and make those appropriate changes so you can achieve your goals in 2021.
Great tips for first-time budgeters like myself. Thanks for joining us, Steven.
Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it.